Okay, so now all we have left to do is get our bottom board in. And what we'll do is we'll just take this whole door off. See if that'll give us enough room for this to slide in. Excuse me. Now, put our hinges back on. And there we go. Okay, now we've set the vanity, we've leveled it with our shims, we put the sink top on, we have the faucet in place, we have put our supply lines in, our scutcheons on, and we put our P-trap in for our drain. We've also put the floor in and we've adjusted the doors so that they close and look somewhat even. Okay, and that's all there is to this.